even in animals, we can't say they have not done something bad. They are bad and they are suffering bad is not in their will. For example, tiger eats deer. It is its life.
He can't eat grass.
He can't eat grass. So, he is forced to do bad and he is forced to suffer the bad because he does not have a will. In both, it is not suffering.
So,
Suffering can be called as suffering if you are having the freedom in generation of the karma and the experience of the karma.
so
Here-
if a snake swallows a small mouse, it's a very painful death for the mouse. He's going to be swallowed alive.
Yes.
And nature is full of natural violence.
Yes.
Natural violence. I
Yes.
mean, there's a volcano and million
And the
things
same
like-
way the snake is going to be killed by some other animal.
Yeah.
So I should say, neither the snake swallowing the frog nor some other animal swallowing the snake has any freedom for the snake.